Shraddha. Thank you so much for being a part of Zoom's 10th anniversary.
Hello, how are you?
Very well.
Good.
We're calling this a terrific 10. Okay, and I'm going to quickly ask you 10 questions.
Yes, go
And I
for
want
it.
terrific answers for it.
Okay.
You want to go back 10 years, Shraddha. What would you do differently?
I would probably change the way that I dressed because I dressed in a very shabby manner.
One actress in Bollywood you envy and why?
Well, I'm a die-hard Priyanka Chopra fan. Her fire and her spark and spirit that she has is amazing.
How would you rate yourself out of 10 on performance, on acting?
I constantly feel like I can keep improving myself.
Doing better.
So I'll say 5.
Come on. You could rate yourself more than that.
I feel like there's always room for improvement.
Yeah.
So I'll stick to 5.
How do you rate yourself as a girlfriend?
Oh God, oh God, oh God. I would like to imagine that it would be at least 7.
Wow. So
There I've
So
been.
yeah, so we are going somewhere now.
At least.
From the younger generation of actors, who do you rate very highly? You know, really high on performance, actor, male actor.
I think all of them are terrific for their own reasons. I think since I've recently just worked with him and it's been an amazing experience working with him, Shahid, I think is fantastic.
Yeah, he's a very good actor, absolutely. I totally agree with you.
And I've always thought he's outstanding.
Yeah.
I've always wanted to work with him and I've gotten that opportunity now.
Who would you rate really high on hotness quotient and personality, like an overall package? An actor.
Ranbir is very attractive.
Kapoor.
Ranbir Kapoor. He is.
As a package, he's a good package deal type.
Yeah, he is.
Totally agree with him. One thing that Shraddha Kapoor has that nobody else does.
I don't think I have any one particular banner backing as such. So somewhere I feel like, you know, I've really like taken my own route or my own path.
3 mistakes of your life.
Probably not completing college, dropping out.
Yeah.
I used to be a very good pianist. I learned how to play the piano for 10 years. And then I stopped doing that. I have my piano at home still. And also I wish I trained more in dancing because I love dancing.
One actor in Bollywood you don't mind going out on a date with. You don't have to be really a date, but like, you know, just going out for a coffee with, or having a conversation with, who you find really interesting.
I would really like to have a conversation with Farhan Akhtar because I think that he's amazing and I saw Bhag Milka Bhag and I wanted to bhago after that out with excitement because he was just outstanding.
The weirdest rumor you've heard about yourself?
There was something about me being gifted a ring.
A diamond ring by Aditya Roy Kapoor. So
And I think that
very strange.
that really pushed the boundary, and I think that
So where
really
is the ring?
crossed. I think that really crossed the line, to tell you the truth, because there's you have that limit, and you fine, you know, you have your patience level, and these link-up rumors do happen.
Yeah.
But if you really cross the line, I mean, where's your responsibility?
Toughest competitor in Bollywood?
Alia and Pari and myself also, because I would keep wanting to better myself.
Absolutely. The last question. If you had to go back to some decade of Bollywood, which decade would that be? And who would you like to play from that era?
I'm a humongous Waheeda Rehman fan.
Okay.
So Waheeda Rehman ji, definitely, if I would be reincarnated as an actor again, and I would love to be a part of Pyasa.
And which actor would you want to romance from that period?
I guess Guru Dutt. Yeah.
Perfect combo.
Ultimate romance hero, yeah.
Calm and composed, Shraddha scores an 8 on 10.